Hi, it's Rosethorn. Crystal Frost is here. She's just not saying anything. We're doing a tribute to one of our favorites.
Hello. Hi, mate. I want an English muffin.
Bluestar, one of our favorites. You can guess by the title.
Mooshies.
I know a lot of people have done Bluestar tributes to this song, but that's because I think I'm doing it too because this fits Bluestar and it's the only one I could find and I like this song.
Give me an English muffin.
You can have one after the video. You just had breakfast.
I want an English muffin.
You can have one after the video and we'll put cheese on it.
English muffin.
Hush! Okay, be quiet now. I'm starting the song. Enjoy. This is called Stand in the Rain by Super Chick.
She never slows down. She doesn't know why, but she knows that when she's all alone, feels like it's all